Hello, welcome to week 3. So, up to this point, we've covered chapters 1 through 4. Um, and so you might expect that this week we're going to do 5 and 6, but actually, we're going to skip the policing chapters, which is 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we're going to actually cover chapters 9 and 10 this week. The reason for that is because I feel like it's a more logical transition to go from talking about criminal law to talking about criminal courts than it does to shift gears and talk about law enforcement and procedural, things, and then to come back to the trial. And so I understand why the textbook put it in the other order because they're thinking, well, the cops are the first stage in the process and then the courts. But that being said, I'm approaching it a different way. So that being said, um, we're going to talk about the courts and this week, and then next week we're going to talk about sentencing, and then we're going to talk about juvenile justice next week, and then after that, then we'll come back and do law enforcement, and then we'll end the semester talking about corrections. So that's just kind of a brief overview. I know it bouncing around chapters, but that's the way I'd prefer to do it. And so, anyway, this week we're going to be talking about the courts, and um, that's really all I can think of to talk about here. So, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, and otherwise, I'll see you next week.